How to filter TikTok notifications. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply filter out your TikTok notifications. So you just have to follow these simple steps. First of all, what you're gonna do is go to the TikTok application on your mobile phone devices and open it up. So eventually, once you open up your TikTok application, the other thing you want to do is go into the inbox icon and tap on it. That is just beside that profile icon menu at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, a new page would appear up in which you're going to go into the activity option where you will get the notifications. So once you tap on it, a new dialog box would appear stating different options just like all activity, likes, comments, Q&A, mentions, followers, and from TikTok. Once you tap on from TikTok, it will have those notifications that are only and solely from the TikTok. So this is how you do it. This is how you filter out notifications only from TikTok. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.